Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the print screen on your keyboard or the print screen button. So let me show you what is the print screen. So print screen, that is the key that is in the initial PRTSC, print screen. Now in the on-screen keyboard, it's PRTSCN, but in your keyboard, it is just PRTSCN, that is at the top, that is located at the top. Now, how can we use print screen? So I have this image. So print screen, that is used to take a snapshot or a screenshot of your current screen. So if this is your current screen, just simply press print screen on your keyboard. And then let's see if we have just took a screenshot. Right click at the start button, File Explorer, and then click on Pictures, click on Screenshots. And here it is. We have just took a screenshot of the current screen that we had earlier, which is the tree. And if you want to simply put this in a document, so let's copy this and then open the Microsoft Word and just paste it and then decrease its size. And that's it. So that is the use of the print screen button on your keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.